Hi guys, welcome back to another session on stack. Earlier we discussed the theoretical concepts of stack and its implementations using an array and linked list. Now in this session you will be learning about the different applications of stack. Coming to learning outcomes, you will be able to explain the different stack applications, and also the other end you will be able to convert the given infix expression into the postfix expression with the help of stack data structure. Here are the applications of the stack. By using stack, you will be able to convert the infix expression into the postfix expression, and it is very easy to evaluate the given postfix expression with the help of the stack, and the stacks are used to implement the recursive functions. Let's see each application in detail. Before knowing about the applications of the stack, let me give you a preamble about the expression. We all know that in any programming languages, the calculations can be done with the help of the expression. An expression is nothing but which is the combination of the operator and operands, isn't it? So an operator is nothing but a special symbol which performs either the arithmetical operation or logical operation or conditional operation or any kind of the operation between the operands, where operand is nothing but which is used to hold the data value. And so based on the operator position, the expressions are divided into three types. The first type of the expression is the infix expression, and the second type is the prefix expression, and the last type of the expression is the postfix expression. Let's discuss each type of the expression here. Infix notation. The infix notation are the infix expression, which is nothing but where we are using the operators between the operands. Let's see this example. A plus B, where A and B are the operands and plus is an operator which I have used between the operands. So this kind of the representation is called as an infix expression or infix notation. Here we'll use the parenthesis in representing the expressions. So whenever you are using the parenthesis, you need to take the help of the operator precedence while evaluating the expression. Let's see this another type of the expression, which is the postfix expression, and this expression is also called as a reverse Polish notation, where here the operator we are using at the end of the operands. You see over here, the operators are written after the operands, hence no need to use any kind of the parenthesis in representing the expression. So as we are not using the parenthesis, so no need to follow the operator precedence in the evaluation. And it is very easy to implement this kind of the expression with the help of the stack. Let's see another type of the expression, which is called as the prefix expression or the Polish notation, where we'll use operators between the operands. You see the statement operators written before the operands, which is nothing but the prefix expression. Here also no need to use parenthesis. So as we are not using the parenthesis, no need to follow the operator precedence in the evaluation, and it is very easy to evaluate these kind of the expressions with the help of this. Yeah, you came to know an expression can be represented in three ways. One is using an infix notation or prefix notation or postfix notation. And it is also possible to convert the one kind of an expression into the another kind, like infix to prefix, infix to postfix, or postfix to prefix, and also the vice versa. Now here you will be knowing about the conversion of infix expression into the postfix with the help of the stack data structure. Let's see the procedure of this conversion using this stack. So start with an empty stack, as we are using this stack and this conversion procedure. Now here you need to convert an infix expression into the postfix. So in that case, you need to scan the given infix expression from left to right. So while scanning the expression, you will encounter with the symbols. So those symbols we are calling as the token. So that token can be the constant value, or it can be the variable, or it can be an operator, or the scanned symbol can be the left parenthesis, or it can be the right parenthesis. Now we'll see the type of each input token. So what you have to do whenever you will encounter that kind of the token while doing the scanning operation. Now, if you encounter with the left parenthesis, in that case, that left parenthesis, simply you need to push it onto the stack. Now, while scanning, if you encounter with the right parenthesis, in that case, you need to pop the contents of the stack, and while popping, you need to display it as the output expression, and you need to repeat this pop until you encounter with the left parenthesis on top of this stack. Once you encounter with the left parenthesis on top of the stack, simply you pop it from the stack and you should not display it as the output expression. Now, whenever you will scan with an operator in the infix expression, in that case, you need to push it onto the stack. So while pushing an operator onto the stack, you need to check the priority of the topmost operator on the stack. So if the encountered operator is having the highest or equal priority than the top operator on the stack, in that case, you need to pop the top operator and display it. After that only you are allowed to push that operator onto the stack. Now, if you encounter with an operand, then you need to simply display it as an output expression. So this you need to repeat till you reach end of the input expression, that is given infix expression. Now here, after that, after reaching end of the expression, then you need to pop the contents of the stack and display it as the output expression. So this is the procedure you need to follow while converting the given infix expression into the postfix expression. Let's watch this animated video for clear understanding of the conversion procedure. The given infix expression, this is the given infix expression, you need to scan it from left to right. While scanning, the first input token is 4, which is nothing but the operand, that is the constant. So whenever you encounter with the constant, you need to simply display it as the postfix expression, that is, which is nothing but your output expression. You see the procedure here. The digit is scanned, so you need to simply display it. The next scanned symbol is the exponent, so you need to, it is an operator, so push it onto the stack. Then move on. The scanned symbol is 2. It is the constant, just simply display it. Now move on. And the next scanned symbol is the operator star. Then whenever you are trying to push the operator onto the stack, you need to compare the operator precedence with the already the topmost operator on the stack, that is exponent, which is having the highest priority, then you need to pop it. Now the next value is 3, just simply display it. Next is minus, so you see here, compare the operator precedence between the star and 1. When star is having the highest precedence, then you need to simply pop it and then push minus onto the stack. Now 3, it is a constant, display it. Plus, again, it is an operator, compare the precedence with the top operator, that is minus, which is having the equal priority. In that case, pop it and display it and then push plus onto the stack. The next symbol is 8, which is a digit, a constant, simply display it. The next scan symbol is the division operator. So you need to push it onto the stack, compare the precedence with the plus operator, which is having the highest precedence. In that case, simply you can push 8 onto the stack. And then is next scan symbol is 4, just simply display it. And next symbol is the division operator. Then the top operator is the division, which is having the equal priority. In that case, you need to pop it and display and then push the scanned operator onto the stack. Now, while pushing, again, you need to compare the operator with the top operator, compare the precedence with the top operator, that is plus, so which is highest, then simply push it onto the stack. Next is left parenthesis. So in that case, you need to simply push left parenthesis onto the stack. Next is 1, so which is a digit, display it. And then next operator is plus, simply push it onto the stack, as a left parenthesis having the lowest priority compared to all other operators. And the next symbol is 1, which is constant. Just simply push it onto the stack. The next scan symbol is the right parenthesis. So whenever you will encounter with the right parenthesis, you need to pop the stack till you encounter with the left parenthesis. So once you reach the left parenthesis, simply you remove it. And then once you reach end of the infix expression, you need to pop all the contents from the stack and display it as the output expression. So now let's implement the infix to postfix conversion in C. This is the conversion of infix to postfix expression. Yeah, include required header files as usual, that is stdio.h. And here I am using the infix expression as a string, hence I need to do some operations, the string operations. So declare include string.h header file. Now take some global variables like taking some variable I and some j, and the top variable always it is set to -1 initially. Now taking the stack, which is of type character, because you are reading the tokens, the token can be the constant or digit or the operator. Hence I am declaring a stack of type character. And to check for the precedence, I am using this function, the precedence function, where take the infix expression as the input, and then one more postfix, and then the fundamental functions on stack, that is push, and then the postfix conversion, which takes the infix as the input. Now one more fundamental function, that is pop. That's all with function declarations. Let's write main function. Now simply what I am doing is I am reading enter input infix expression. So this is my input expression, which is infix expression. Just you read it, and then invoke postfix function to convert the given infix expression into the postfix, and afterwards the postfix expression is given as, simply display it. That's all with the main function. Let's implement each function, like starting with postfix. So which is taking the string as infix expression, or anything like 50. And then here, what you do is you take a character variable, some character variable, and read each character of the given infix expression, that is starting from 0th position to till you reach end. That we will indicate by using /0. This is a delimiter to indicate end of the string in C language. And each iteration, you need to take the new symbol and we'll start the procedure. If the infix character, if the infix scanned symbol or the scanned token is the left parenthesis, in that case, if it is left, what you have to do, you need to push it onto the stack. Yeah? And then else, if this is an alphabet like the digit, so we have a function as is alpha, and if the scanned symbol is an alphabet, in that case what you have to do, just simply add to the output expression. So that's why here I have taken I and j variables. I is to scan the input expression, whereas j is for the output expression. Now here simply add to output expression. And the other case is, the other possibility is the scanned symbol can be the right parenthesis. So if that is the right parenthesis, in that case, what you have to do is you need to pop the stack, isn't it? So you need to pop the stack. And if that you have to do till you reach the left parenthesis. Yes. So till that time, what you have to do is you need to pop the top operator and then add it to the output expression. Yeah. Then after that, so just simply I am holding this popped operator into the variable x. Next, the other case is otherwise. The next option can be the operator. So we have done with the left parenthesis, the digit and the right parenthesis, and the else case is nothing but the operator. The encountered symbol is operator. In that case, you need to check for the precedence. That is the priority, operator priority. So if the top operator of the stack is greater than or equal to the precedence of the infix expression, the infix token. Now, in that case, what you have to do is you need to pop the top operator. There's pf of j plus plus the top operator, and you need to add it to the output expression. Now, otherwise, what you have to do, you need to simply push that encounter token onto the stack. Yeah. So you reached end of the input expression. So now what you have to do till the stack is empty. So the until top is not equal to -1. This is not 1. This is -1. Now simply pop and add to output expression. Yeah, at the end, as we know that the output expression is also a string, so you need to append the delimiter /0 at the end of the string. So you make it this group of characters as the screen for a string. For that, you need to append this /0. Yeah. So just simply write for push. Your stack of plus top equal to y. And then write similarly the pop return stack of top minus minus. And then one more, the left out function is the precedence which is taking a character as the parameter. The operators, we are treating them as the parameters. So if the operator is star, or if the operator is a slash, that is division, or if the operator is the modulus operator, in that case, just set the operator as something like 5. Else, if the operator is plus or the operator is minus, In that case, you give some more priority like 3 I am giving here. And then else, if C is left parenthesis, in that case, it is having the lowest priority, that is return 1. Let's build. Let's build and execute this code. See this output screen where it is asking to enter the infix expression. I am giving the infix expression like this: a plus b star c plus d. As I am using the parenthesis, first I need to evaluate a plus b, then I should evaluate c plus d. You see here. So first I have evaluated a plus b. That means I have converted a plus b into the postfix expression, which is giving ab plus. Then we'll evaluate c plus d, which gives cd plus. Now ab plus will become one operand, star cd plus will become another operand. Then again you convert that expression into the postfix, which gives ab plus cd plus star. So this is a procedure to convert the given infix expression into the postfix with the help of the stack, push, and pop operations.